This is the way the old Malabari people used to recite going back 100 years. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allah tirum ferum tudiyum salawatum Adinam taranguwa narchayde bedambar Alamudeyovan yeullarudhale Ay Muhammad warkili ayowar Yallanki la ilam bangila ayowar Yalla tashailum kadhimi gachowar. And for your information, I'm reading from Arabic Malayalam book. These writings were taught to us. These writings were taught to us. Alfu, Bau, Tau, like this, if you remember. So this is the way they used to preserve us. And not only that, but when the wedding came, wedding. How was the old Malabari people doing wedding? And before I go to the wedding, when we were small, we went to the madrasa, to markaz. So they want to teach us about Islam. So the first song that we all learned, and listen to this, and I would like to, maybe I'm going to ask one of you guys to sing as well. The first song. Islam karyam anjane. Listen to this. And this is what we were taught when we were small. Awagallari al-fardane Iman Islam arjil langil Nargam awarudavidane Kalima shahadat wannane Niskaram matirandane Mudallina adilum zakatuku rakkal Munamattada fardane Ramadanum patina lane Ila akhir. Towards the end. I do know the end, but maybe I should ask one of you guys to finish it off for me. These were the teachings we were taught, and we still remember. Going back, I was taught about at least 30 years ago, and I still remember that. And so these were the things they taught us. And then, not only that, then when the weddings came, they used to sing this song. When they go to the girl and the boy, when they come together. And for the tabarrak, I will recite this. Okay? And maybe is Dr. Karashirvi, you will be maybe enjoy this. And this is the old Malayalam. This is the old Malayalam. Manimuttu madhuvarna pumole Ninde uppande kanyainte mole. I may make mistake few places by the wordings due to I can't help that. Arimalla puvende manamalle Mole tande adarpapu kaniyalle Aramba bitille mailalle Kutti ummande atapu molalle Aumana pumole kalyanam Rambe ageyum sandosam innalle. There's a lot there, but I will try to read few of them. Manimuttu madhuvarna nabiyalle Tangal makatu di chulla puvalle Parishunda dininde jivalle Roda pungawil innuki dapalle Jinninnum insinnum tanalalle Nale jannatul firdausan arimalle Sanmargam katiya urwalle Nammude sandafam tirikunna davaralle Amina bipatakum yal